one on Netflix South Africa right now is Fatal Seduction, a wannabe freaky thriller that is a remake of the Mexican show Dark Desire. Everything unfolds when a married law professor, Nandi, has a passionate affair with a younger man named Jacob Tao while on a weekend away. Same plot, same everything basically, just different setting and actors. They did the same thing with Blood Legacy, which is another remake of a Mexican show, Monaca, and Yo Christmas, also a copy and paste of the 2019 Norwegian show Home for Christmas. There is a solid, good number of successful original South African shows on the very same platform, so I don't get what the reason behind this is. The only upside is that, people are working, otherwise Okay, now you've decided to do the remake. It's okay, Sizodzimpel. Now commit. Angithi, you said you wanted to be a freak. Let's see it. The original goes all in with the tension, obsession, darkness, and explicitity. Fatal Seduction just watered down everything, in my opinion. It just feels dramatic when it's supposed to be intense and thrilling. Now, don't get me wrong. The show has amazing actors. They have some of my favorite people on there. Kumuto Christopher, Tapelo Mkwena, Tando Tabeto on the latest season. It's just that this doesn't really feel like them, though. They obviously have all the qualities, but I didn't feel like their hearts were in it for real. Just feels like a let's get the job done moment instead of a let's entertain the masses moment. Now let's get to the main thing the show relies on heavily and also fails to really deliver on compared to the original. The sexual content. Basically soft porn. If we're being honest, that's what a lot of people click play for. And it's not even all that. There's no passion, the whole thing just relies on shock value. Yeah, but that's just me though, All I can say now is Fatal Seduction, you had the potential to be something special, but all you really turned into was, a fake demon.